Also, this is GPS motorcycle number system. If you want to use your mobile smartphone to count your motorcycle, first you need to download our app. This is app icon. You can get it from Apple App Store, or we will send you QR code. You can scan QR code and download it to your smartphone. Now I have downloaded this icon. This is smart icon, smartphone icon app to my mobile. This is iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s. This one, okay. Now this is homepage. Please remember, if you want to test the GPS function, you need to check this icon. It must be signal icon. No message icon. Message icon, it is so small. You can get it delayed time message. It is long time. Don't recommend this mode. Must be signal mode. Okay, signal mode. It is working 4G, 3G. Okay, 4G, 3G, maybe Wi-Fi, it can work. Okay, firstly you download this app, and secondly set. Okay, sorry, card. You can add a device. This model number is this. You need to choose this. Click this edit. Yes. One is SM number. SM number. The first number is this one. This and plate number, your car number, plate number, car number. SM number is this number. This is SM card. Yes, SM card. Just SM card. Oh, sorry. Okay, you need to use the other top to. Okay. Later I will take it out. This is SM card. Okay. Now this operation password, this is factory was 8888. Set contact. You must set two phone numbers, 1, 2, at least 1, 2. You must set two group contact phone number. Okay, and then click save. Yes, successful. Okay, now home. This is unlock. This lock. This unlock. This lock. No, because okay. Why? Because why it is failed? Because no power. Okay. I just turn off the power. Okay. Yes. Now let me pour on to the GPS. Please wait several seconds, because the GSM GPS is searching the signal, so you need to wait almost 15 seconds, and then it will work. Let me try it again. Blinks GSM GPS LED. Need to wait. This is a remote control. Okay. Now please wait almost. It need to initialize this system. This is yes. Now it working now. So when you put onto the system, you need to wait almost 20 or 15 seconds. It will be normal working, and then you can operate the app. Unlock. Yes. Knock. Yes. Start. Yes. Start. I just okay. No. Okay. Start. Yes. And you start send. Yes, start. Okay. Now let me stop app. Stop. Yes, stop. I will hear the relay click from this. It means stop. This is ready to operate. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.